If you experience an account sync issues with GTA 5, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes sync problems can be due to server outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the Rockstar servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off your console and plugging it for a few minutes and then restarting. For PC users, you can clear the game's cache by navigating to the installation folder and deleting the cache files. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your platform Steam, Epic Games, or console and install any available patches. Step 5. Relink your accounts. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Rockstar Social Club account. Go to the Social Club website, log in, and manage your linked accounts to refresh the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue in GTA 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.